Unlocking YouTube monetization requires 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. This, plus 1,000 subscribers, grants you access to the YouTube Partner Program and revenue earning. Achieve this by creating high-quality, engaging content that truly delivers value to your viewers. Master storytelling. Use compelling hooks in the first 10 to 15 seconds and incorporate pattern interrupters to keep attention. Longer videos, ideally 8 to 10 minutes, significantly boost watch time, especially when organized into themed playlists. Utilize YouTube SEO with optimized titles, descriptions, and engaging thumbnails for discoverability. Avoid pitfalls like inconsistent uploads, ignoring SEO, or poor audio and video quality, which deter viewers. Regularly analyze YouTube analytics to understand audience retention and refine your strategy for continuous improvement. Engage with your community, cross-promote on other platforms, and collaborate with fellow creators to expand your reach. Building a successful channel takes time and patience, so keep creating, keep growing. ED Creators RW.